Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanakpali Therapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusatoli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. In this video number 20 and serial number 20, I am producing you a new device which is known as the Nali Swara and is used by the practitioners. About this machine, the information have been passed to me by Vaidya Arun Arya from Ganj Dundwara district, Kasganj, and he supported all the documents and photographs about the Naleswar to make the video for the benefit of Ayurveda and Ayurveda practitioners. So, all the information which have been given by the Arun Arya is here, and I collected it and adjourned in this video for the benefits of Ayurveda fraternity, for that they can be benefited. I have not used this machine, so I cannot say about the profitability of and use of and utility of this machine, which, how and where and in which manner it can be used and for what the uses are this device. So I have not yet seen and never used it. So those who are very like to willing to understand this device, they can directly contact to the manufacturer of Naliswara and take the advantage of their device which they have fabricated. Now I have collected some other information from supported by Vaidya Arun Arya, and he sent me some features and PDF format which I am showing you here. So these are the snapshots of the device and the matter which is sent by Arya to me. In fact, Ayurvedicians and Ayurvedic practitioners should use every kind of the machines which is for the diagnosis of and help the diagnosis of Vat, Pitta, Kapha and other fundamentals of Ayurveda like Saptadhatu, Mal and disease conditions, whatever they may be. I cannot say perfectly about this machine, how much it can be benefited to any Ayurvedic physician because of having no any experience of this machine. So they should go to contact the manufacturer of this machine and know about it. I have not yet seen any practitioner who can give me a perfect demonstration and practical application of this machine to me. So it is very difficult to say how and why this machine should be used in any way by the Ayurvedic practitioners, and what I feel, those who desire to understand this machine, they should directly contact to the manufacturer. Arun Arya can give you a short view or short information about this gadget, and I think that he is using some other gadgets like Sanai and other uh, devices which are used in Ayurvedic fraternity. So this is for the sale in market and available in market. For those who are very interesting, they should contact to the sellers or see an appropriate seller who can demonstrate it and for the use of Ayurvedic practitioners. In fact, what I feel, Ayurvedic practitioners are not very accustomed to use any kind of those machines which provide the data of Vat, Pitta and Kapha or Saptadhatu or other disease conditions features. So this is a very tedious position before the Ayurvedic practitioners that none of them I have seen to use this type of machine in my circle or in my uh, friends, those who are practicing in Ayurveda. So I think that every Ayurvedic physician must customize with the machines which are available in market and they should have a practice with every device which is available and they should keep in their clinic as a modernization of Ayurvedic medical system to show that they can go with the artificial intelligence and medical devices which have been produced by the manufacturers or by the scientists like me. So I have given you already about my devices, so you can go and these devices are electrotridosography, Ayurveda Tridoso scanner, Ayurveda STL, whole body scanning system, and blood analysis by blood chemical chemistry in Ayurveda pathology. And this all is available at our both the centers of Kanpur and in Unnao. So Kanpur center and in Unnao center, everybody can get it. The facilities which we have been providing to every patient already and before coming to us one should have an appointment to take the advantage of the treatment legacy. So we use every kind of machines and examination process which we have in our clinic and research center at both the center in Kanpur and in Unnao. Kanpur center is just near the railway station and Unnao center is 5 kilometers away from Kanpur at Transganga and 40 kilometers away from Lucknow International Airport. So my request is before coming here, you have an appointment with us so that we can serve you much better. Thank you.